Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Everyone, is my voice and screen clear? I'm good, Chaitanya. Where were you yesterday? So I hope you have kept all materials ready, everyone. Yes, so today we need only watercolors. Keep a permanent marker, scale, and other painting materials with you. Okay, Chaitanya. Complete your work and share, okay? Those who have missed yesterday's session, complete the artwork and share it with me, okay? Come on, everyone, get ready with your book. We will start with the outlines. So everyone, hold your book in a vertical manner first. Use scale for drawing lines. Okay. Yes, and today also we have to fill entire page. So draw all the things big. Okay. Come on, let's start. So we will first start with the house. You can see it's exactly in the center of the page. Okay. For drawing these lines, make use of scale. Okay, you can use same measurement of mine. Anika, we are drawing this house scenery, simple scenery today. Come on, let's start. So everyone, we will first mark this dot for our reference. Okay. See here, from center, you can mark a dot for your center, everyone, so that you will get perfect. See, I've marked my center. Yes, this is just for our reference. Okay. Now from here, we have to go a little up. How much centimeter up we have to go? 5 centimeters up. See, I've kept 5 centimeter on this dot and I'm marking over here. See, 0 and 5. Okay, you have to go 5 centimeters up and add dot for your reference. Come on, Shrestha, Gargi. Yes, just show me once completed. Yes, okay, Chaitanya. Yes, I will just quickly repeat the part. See what we have done. Hold your book vertical, mark a center. Okay, now take your scale. You have to go 5 centimeters up. Keep your scale 5 centimeter on that dot and mark it on 0 like this. Okay, got it, everyone? Now we have to take this second dot, which is on top, for drawing these two lines. Okay, see here. I will place my scale in a slanting manner like this. You have to take same measurement on both the sides. Here I'm taking 6 centimeter. You can take 6 or 7 depending upon size. Come on, let's do it, everyone. Check this. We are drawing inside line, okay? Place your scale in a slanting manner. Check how I've kept. Slanting. I'm taking 7 centimeter because my book is big. Check how much centimeter you can add, how it should be big, 6 or 7. If you are using A4 size, you can take 6 centimeters. Okay. 0 to 7. Check the slanting line. Come on, Ayan, Kunisha, Advik, Lubdha, Anika, Dibyanshu. Come on, Advik. Yes, correct, Kunisha. Well done. 7 centimeters, everyone. Draw line on both the sides. Okay. Don't change measurement. See. Place it in a slanting manner again. And add a line. 7 centimeter. Yes, Daniel, perfect. See everyone, what we have done first. See, we have marked center from here 5 centimeters up. Okay. Second dot. Then what you have to do? You have to take 6 or 7 centimeter and add a slanting line like this. If you take 6, take 6 for both. Okay. I have taken 7 centimeter. Got it, everyone? Any doubt? Ayan got it? Kaushal, Chaitanya? Okay, great. Now everyone, from this dot, we have to go 1 centimeter up, add second dot. We have to follow same type of line again. Just go 1 centimeter up. Yes, Anushri. Anushri, your screen is upside down. Come on, Tanvi, Shrishti. Just 1 centimeter. Now, follow same slanting line like this. Again, on next side. Yes, Ayan, correct. Come on, Nirja, Kaushal. Yes, Anushri, now it's okay. Come on, Saksham. Just 1 centimeter, everyone. Gap. Come on, Paris. Dibyanshu doing it. Okay. Dibyanshu, Daniel, Chaitra, correct? Okay, Kunisha. Anika, done. Now, everyone, just connect the ends like this with a slanting line. Yes, just connect them. I'm erasing my center line, center point now. Okay. You can make it clear all your reference dot if they are visible. Come on, Tiara. Got shape, everyone, like this. Correct, Anushka? Yes. Okay, Tiara. Tanisha, perfect. Nice, Tanvi. Paris, perfect. Arohi, done. Gargi. Okay, Ayan. Any difficulty, anyone? Good, Shriyansh. Okay. Let's see the next step. Now, from ends, from these two ends, we have to go a little bit inside, like this. If you are using scale, just go 1.5 centimeter inside or just 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is okay. Yes, just 1 centimeter inside, add dot. Okay. And now from here, we have to add standing line. Take your scale, everyone. Check that it's proper standing. We have to take 7 centimeter for standing line, 0 to 7. Anika, I have already repeated. Come on, everyone, take 7 centimeter. Just check that they are in the same line. Yes, Dibyanshu, you can, but we want long house, okay, not short. Come on, Advik. Correct, Nircha, it's perfect. Correct, Kunisha. Daniel. Correct, Anika. Chaitra. Well done. Come on, Sanchi. Now, everyone, after this, we have to make ground line. So you can see the ground line is not straight. We have to use a semicircular curve. Okay. And it should connect these two ends of line. Okay. See here, from this line, you have to go a little bit down and then you have to start making it. Hold your pencil a little bit far so that you can draw nice curve like this. See, everyone. And slowly connect it on other side. Yes. Correct, Chaitanya. Sanji. Correct, Nircha. See, those who have joined late. First, we have marked center dot. From there, you have to go 5 centimeter up. From there, you have to make 2 slanting lines measuring 7 centimeters. From here, again 1 centimeter up, make slanting line on both sides, join it. Okay, then from these two ends, again, we have to go a little bit inside. You can go 1 centimeter and add standing line, measuring 6 or 7 centimeter. This much we are done. Then we have started with the baseline. Line is curve in this way. Okay. This much part we are done. Yes, Chaitra, Lubda. It's painting Shriyansh. Anushri, it's perfect. Yes. Nirja, Pari is correct. Everyone, erase your reference line or reference dot, okay? Yes, Anushka, correct. All right. Now, exactly in the center, let's add door. Come on. You can take any measurement for door, okay? At least 4 centimeter in height, you can take. Everyone, you can use this entire measurement for drawing door, okay? Of your scale. I've used this much measurement of my scale, gap between the lines, okay? Come on, Chaitra, Aditi. Anushri, at least 4 centimeters up. Door. Yes, Nircha, correct. Nircha, just check. You have same gap on both sides. It's exactly in the center. Chaitra, correct. Nircha, nice. Yes, Dibyanshu. Punisha, correct. Depending upon size of your house, okay? Pari is perfect. Well done. Everyone, only this much gap I have taken between the lines. Yes, Daniel, we have to use oil pastels. No, Daniel, use watercolors today. Yes, Shriyansh. Yes. Now, everyone, we have used rectangular shape for door. We have to use square shape for windows. Which part, Anika? Show your drawing. Yes. Now, from that point, go 1 centimeter down and add same type of line again. Come on, let's make square. Use scale, everyone. 2 centimeter side, okay, or even less than that. 2 windows on sides. Come on, Sarish, Srishti, Prisha. Yes, Daniel, correct. Anika, leave that roof part and start adding window and door, okay? I will tell you that afterwards. Everyone, same measurement for both windows and check that they are in the same line. Two centimeters all sides. Come on, Kaushal, Mahek, Nircha, correct. Everyone, if you don't have enough space on sides, you can make them little bit up. No problem. Come on, Tanvi, Saksham. Well done, Kunisha, Anushka, Daniel, good. Done, Ayan. Now exactly in the center, top part, we have to add a circle. So everyone, we are drawing circle freehand. See here, first make a curve like a C. Anushri, it's 2 centimeters. Window. And then make a opposite curve and complete the circle. Anika, you have added this line. From here, you have to just add these 2 dots and you have to start line. Your before line was correct. Correct, Nirja. Correct, Chaitra. Yes, come on, Kaushal. Everyone, added circle. Correct, Kunisha. Shrishti, done. Lubdha, Prisha, Mahit, Sayanshi, Varun, got it? Now everyone, on the left side of the roof part, we have to add a chimney. See here how it is. First, add a standing line, big, okay? Leave some space, add small standing line. You can show it on any side, left or right. Follow same step. Sayanshi, show your work. Anika, before you have added that line that was correct, why you have erased it? Yes, Sayanshi, continue. Pari's done. Lubda, see, one line you will get big, another one will be small. Okay. See, 2 centimeters up, and this is just 1 centimeter. Okay. Correct, Kunisha. Daniel, Ayan, perfect. Everyone, now on top of this, you have to make flat rectangular shape like this. Lubda, correct. Anika Modi, no problem. On top part, we are going to add clouds and sun. So you can fill that part. It's okay, Anika Modi. Yes, Advik, all right. Well done. Advik, just check that windows are not touching to the door. Nircha, perfect. Very good, Soresh. Perfect work. Now everyone, just add a small cloud shape on top of it for showing smoke. You can add one or two. I'm just keeping it one. Why Gargi? Oil pastel? Just for one part? Yes, you can mix, no problem. Okay, Chaitra, nice. Yes, add two parts, everyone. Like this, one big and one small. It will look nice. Yes, continue, Daniel. Very nice, Kunisha. Anushri, Nircha, it's perfect. Good work. Okay. Now, everyone, just see how much space you have on sides. If you have more space, you can add two trees or else you can add just one. Okay. Lubda, it's perfect. Kaushal, it's perfect. If you're using A4 size, you might have small space. So just keep one tree. See here, oval shape we have to add. Big oval. No problem if this part gets overlapped, but maintain oval. Like this. See, in A4, you can fit just one tree. But if you have big size book, you can add one extra. Okay. Come on, let's start adding these oval shapes first. Make them big. If you wish to add any fruits on it, you can. its height should be bigger than house. Okay. See, this is the house line. We have to go a little bit up. From here, you can start. See, go a little bit up and then start with the oval. If you want to make normal tree, you can. But if you add oval, it will look nice. Little bit different from the regular one. Divide oval in two parts, okay? While drawing, first make curve like a C. Then in opposite way, don't draw it directly. Come on, Arohi, Advik, Mahek, Aditi, Vedant, Varun. Now me. Yes, Shriyansh, perfect. You can draw same type of tree on other side. Ayan, correct. Nircha, check this curve. Chaitra, correct. Nice, Advik. Advik, see if you want, just keep one tree here. Okay, if it's looking overcrowded. Okay, Chaitanya, you have fitted two trees. Nice. Yes, Tiara, make big oval and just add one tree. Correct, Nirja. Everyone, second tree, same way on right side. Yes, okay, Advik, no problem. Anika, show your work. Yes, it's correct. You can add this line now and continue. Yes, Pari is perfect. Everyone, I'm keeping just one tree on right side. If you want to add fruits, you can. Yes, we are going to add birds afterwards. Okay. First on this line, let's add bushes. Use curve line, everyone. See, you can start from left. Make some big curves, some small curves. Like this. Do it on both sides. Kaushal, then make two trees on that side. Okay. Or see if you can fit just half tree like this. You can. Yes, Gargi. Yes, Anika. It's correct. Now start with this curve. Pari is perfect. Tiara doing it. Nircha correct. Continue. Anika, from this line, you have to go a little bit down and then you have to start. Correct, Daniel. Well done. Now everyone see, here we have some gap. Start from here and add trunk part for the tree like this. One center line and two small lines on side. Yes, Pihu, but you have to erase overlapping line. Okay. See everyone, center line, and 2 lines on sides. Add 1 line up, 1 line down. Come on, Sarish. Yes, Pari is good. Anika, first we have added this curve only, and on that we have to add bushes. From this line, you have to go little bit down. From here, you have to start with the curve line like this. Yes, Ayan, perfect. Good work, Advik. Very nice, everyone. Come on, last few steps left. We will first complete the down part. Take these 2 ends of the line for door. Everyone, take these 2 dots. From here, we have to add a pathway like this. Use a curved line. Correct, Anushka. Join it down, everyone. Don't leave it in a halfway. See here, top. Here, gap between the lines will be less. And as you go down, increase the gap between the lines. Okay. Come on, add it. Don't make a standing line, okay? Make a curved line. Nircha, check. Your lines are curved. Come on, Nircha, Tanvi, Sreshtha. Correct, Chaitanya. Kaushal. Paris, Daniel, great. Perfect. Now, see the gap on sides. This gap we have to fill with the same type of line like bushes. Start like this. Add bushes on both sides and join it to the pathway. It's okay, Kaushal. We are going to add elements there. Okay. Perfect, Kunisha. So everyone, the down portion is done. Just complete it and show. Yes, Daniel, you can. Shriyansh, good. See, Anika, I'm writing here measurements. This is 4 and these are 2 centimeters square. Okay. You have to use the entire measurement of the scale for drawing door and big circle on top. Correct, Lubda. Well done. Then we done. Yes, Rishti. You are going to use that. Okay. Well done, Chetra. Now everyone, top side. If you wish to add rainbow, you can. I'm going to add just clouds and sun. Okay, I have less space. See here, one big cloud I'm adding. I'm adding a line and then using semicircles, make a big cloud. Okay, one big and one small. Yes, you can, Shriyansh. You can change it, no problem. If you wish to add face to sun, you can. Add birds. Big circle for sun on top left side. Yes, Anushka, you can. Yes, normal cloud also you can add like this. Okay, one big, one small. If you wish to add rainbow, you can add it like this. Add few birds. Yes, Shreyansh, it's nice. Show sun rays. Very, very good, Daniel. Yes, Anika, add circle. Perfect, Paris. Well done. Nice question. Yes, Anika Modi, perfect. Anushka, correct. Okay, you can skip sun if you don't have space. Okay. So here everyone, our pencil drawing is done. Yes, Kunisha, well done. Lubda, perfect. Just show me your final drawing so that you can start with the tracing. Perfect, Advik. Very nicely done. Yes, Shrestha, just check the gap between the lines in your rainbow line. They should be even. Ayan, perfect. Nice, Arohi. See everyone, if you want to add rainbow, you can add it like this. Just rainbow if you want to add. Just make two clouds and then use semicircular curves like this. If you want to show big rainbow, you can show it exactly in the center and big. Okay. Yes, show me if you are done. Yes, Srishti, nicely done. Saksham completed. Yes, Dibyanshu, you can use Chaitra, correct? Yes, Daniel, you can start. Everyone, as we are using watercolors, you have to use your permanent marker for tracing. Okay? Yes, Pihu. Yes, you can start with the chimney. Yes, start with the outline, everyone. Before that, place newspaper under your sheet. Don't miss. Anika, just two lines. You have to use one big, one small, and flat rectangular shape. Everyone, don't use normal sketch pen. Permanent marker only. Come on, start from top. Come on, Chaitanya. Very nice, Chaitanya. Perfect. Well done. Start from top. Come on, Shrestha. Everyone, if you have added birds or rainbow, anything else, trace that also. Each and every pencil line. Yes, continue, Nircha. Yes, correct, Advik. Come on, everyone. Arohi doing it. Started with the tracing. Nirja, Mahit, Sanchi, Tanvi. Yes, very good, Sanchi. Well done. Yes, come on, Nircha. Everyone, just use marker once on that line, okay? No twice. Otherwise, it will look bold. We don't want that. Trace it once only. Come on, Suresh. Yes, continue, Sanvi. Good. Yes, correct, Advik. Continue. Come on, Arohi. Come on, Vedant. Varun doing it. Sayanshi. Yes, Advik. Done, Anushri. Okay. Yes, Lubda, Mahek. Very good. Punisha, perfect. Okay, Anushri. You can erase your pencil lines. Those are done. Okay, Kaushal. Erase your lines. Done, Shriyansh. Very nice, Anushka. Perfect. Done, Mahit. You can erase your lines. Dibyanshu. Come on, Necha. Yes, Anika, well done. Daniel, perfect. Nice. Daniel, you like rainbow? Yesterday also you have added. Nice. Well done. Very good, Advik. Advik, you have used 2 markers. Okay, no problem. Correct, Anika. Chaitra, perfect. Very nicely done. Lubda, number 8. Number 8, I will be using 8 or 10 because each and every part is a little bit big. So prefer using big size brush. Yes, okay, Shriyansh. You can take 6 or 8. Ayan, perfect. Good. Come on, everyone. Erase your lines. We will start painting together. Yes, you can use number 6. Slowly, everyone. Hold your book tight while erasing. Yes, Daniel, you can if you are comfortable. Okay. Your color stroke should not go outside border. Then only you can use. And everyone, you can change the colors, okay? But you have to follow step while painting. Border, one direction, and good amount of color that you have to keep in your mind, okay? Colors you can change, no problem. Yes, Pari is perfect. Come on, get ready. Yes, watercolor cakes we have to use. You can use them, Anika. Keep a rough cloth or a tissue paper for wiping, everyone. Yes, Sanvi, perfect. Yes, Shriyansh. Come on, everyone, let's start. Okay, Nirja. So everyone, for painting smaller areas, you can use small number brush, and for painting larger areas, you can change it to the bigger size. Okay. Now see, I'm painting smaller areas. That's why I've taken number 6 brush. Okay. But when I'm filling tree and this part, I will take bigger size brush. Yes. Come on. So everyone, clouds, we will start first from top. You can use any blue color, light blue or a cobalt blue. Normal painting we have to do. Yes, number 6 for smaller areas, number 8 for large areas. Come on, let's do it. You can also do one thing. You can use light blue for one cloud and dark blue for other cloud. Okay, try to make it colorful. First, take a wet brush, add some water in your watercolor cake. Give it a nice mix. Okay, mix it nicely. Then remove excess color from your brush. Check that you all are holding it correctly, your brush. And let's start. Border. Yes, it's light blue color. Any blue color you can take. See everyone, I'm using just tip of my brush for border. Don't go outside the line. Yes, Nircha, use good amount of color, mix it nicely. Okay. And then fill it left to right very smoothly. Take color whenever required. Don't use water much. Yes, I am good. Very nice. Keep doing. Come on, everyone. Nircha, fill all white spaces. Come on. Mix your color once again and start using. Load it nicely. Yes, correct, Shrestha. Complete all clouds first. Okay, Ayan. You can start with the sun, orange or yellow. You can move forward, okay? No problem, everyone. Just follow painting method, okay? Do it in your own speed, no problem. Just keep showing in between, okay? Yes, Sanvi, slightly hold your brush in front. Then Gupta, blue color. Okay, Anushka, perfect. While changing color, wash your brush properly. Okay, great, Ayan. So everyone, I'm taking orange color for sun. You can take orange or yellow. Any color you can take. Correct, Anika. Mix color nicely. If you wish to use both color, how you can use orange color just for border, and for filling, use yellow. It will look very nice. Doing it, everyone? Okay, Shrestha. Come on, Kaushal. Kaushal, use good amount of color, okay, and less water. Yes, I can continue with the house. Everyone, once you are done with the clouds and sun, we have to start with the house, okay? Use all different colors. Yes, Pihu. Start from top. I'm using gray color for smoke. If you don't have gray, use light blue color only, but very lightly. Yes, all different colors you have to use. Of your choice, you can take. Come on, Saksham. Come on. Correct, Anushka. Come on, Advik. Varun. Sayanshi. Vedant. Kunisha. Start with the house. See, for this flat rectangular shape, I am taking yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre or a light brown. Okay. Come on, Nirja, Chaitra. And for this part, I'm taking violet color. Use dark and then light colors like that. Okay. Now for the roof part, I'm taking red color, normal red. You can take a red or a crimson. Start from one side down to up. See this, Ayan? Dark violet. Come on, Sarish, doing it. Come on, Sanchi. This is red color. Yes, Pihu, you can. You can change colors, no problem. Now everyone, see I need to paint this large area. That's why I'm changing my brush. I'm taking number 10 brush. You can take number 8. Okay. I'm going to use light yellow color or lemon yellow. Okay. Prefer using light color. Mix your color nicely first. Lemon yellow. You can take light blue or a light pink, light green or a purple color. Prefer using light color so that you can use dark shades for windows and door. Yes, come on everyone, start filling. Don't leave any white space. It should not look patchy. Even color. Come on, Paris. Done. Come on, Anika, Tanvi. Come on, Chaitra. Yes, come on, Kaushal. Kaushal, use brush smoothly. If color is dry, add some water. Yes, come on. Complete this much part and show me. Yes. Okay, Nircha. Nircha, just check that yellow color. Some part is looking patchy. Make it even. Correct, Sanvi. Nice pink color. Good. Show me which color you have used, everyone. Okay, Anushka. Great. Chaitanya, it's light green only. Everyone, don't paint windows and doors now because our background color is wet. If color goes on that part by mistake, it will get mixed. Okay. So by that time, we will start with the trees. Okay. Good, Lubda. Come on, let's do it. So check that how many shades of green you have. You can use all. Correct, Nirja? If you have added 3 trees, use all 3 green colors from your set. Okay. I'm going to take these 2 green colors and light green I'm going to keep for bushes. Come on, add water in that. Okay, Chaitanya. Come on, mix color. Light green, dark green. Okay, I'm making its border. See everyone, you can rotate your book like this so that you can paint the tree properly. Border. And then start filling. I'm using big brush only. Make it smooth. Come on, everyone. One light green, one dark green. If you have 2 trees on any one side, use one dark green and light green, okay? Not same color. Come on, everyone, start filling trees. Check that there is no white space. Okay, complete it like this, everyone. Both the colors. Kaushal, use round brush for that part. You can use that flat brush down, okay? And start with the border first. Come on, Kunisha. Come on, Advik. Look that done. Nice, Nirja. We have used light green and dark green. See, do one tree light green, second one dark green, same on other side. Okay. Come on, continue. Done, Anushka. Chaitanya, bushes, light green, pathway, brown. Now see everyone, yellow color is dried. So we can start painting door and window. Come on, let's do it. I'm taking cobalt blue color for window. Cobalt blue means this shade, everyone. Medium blue. You can take light blue also. Come on, Tanvi. For the top circle, I'm taking dark red color. If you don't have dark red, you can take normal red or orange. Any dark color you can take. This is a kind of a crimson color. Come on, Aditi. Okay, great, Nircha. You can continue. Come on, my head. Pink color door, rose pink. Complete house like this, everyone, and show me. Waiting. Yes, come on, Zayanshi. Good. Continue. Everyone, don't start with this part now, okay? Because here we'll be using two colors. So don't do this part now. Other parts you can fill. Gargi, brown color. Nircha, perfect. If you are done, you can start with the bushes using yellow-green color or a light green. Okay. See, this color I will be using. Okay, Anika, you can start painting trees with light green. Very nice, Daniel. Perfect. Come on, Sardish. Everyone, I'm adding 1 or 2 drops of water in lightest green color or a yellow green. And I will complete bushes with this. Come on, start filling. Come on, Saksham. Yes, Shrestha. Show. Yes, Shrestha, correct. Shrestha, just check that. The right side, second tree. It's dark enough. If it's looking light, give one more layer on it. the smaller tree. Yes, Nircha, continue with the next side. All bushes, same color. But I'm not doing the downside now. Otherwise, it will be difficult to keep our hand on it. Yes, Shrestha, okay. Now it's perfect. Yes, perfect, Shrestha. Nice, Advik. Well done. Yes, Mahit, very nicely done. Mahit, if you feel that your borders are not visible, use your normal black sketch pen once your painting is dried. Okay, it will look more attractive. Nishka, Nircha, Nirja, perfect. Okay, great. Now see here, these two parts, we have to use two colors. You can take either light green, dark green or yellow and dark green. Anushka, perfect. So I will be taking dark green and yellow combination. See, top part will be yellow and the down part will be green. And in the center, we have to blend both colors. Okay. Okay, I will wait for a minute and then we will start. Now for this part, you can use your larger number brush. Okay. I'm just adding water in the color. If you have flat brush, you can use flat brush number 4. Come on, can we start now? So everyone, we will start from top, yellow color, lemon yellow. See everyone, just half part we have to fill on both sides. See everyone, like this, half part only. Do the same on other side. Don't leave any white space. Where Kaushal? Show your work. Okay, Kaushal, no problem. Just fill top part with yellow and other half with dark green. See everyone, don't allow color to dry. Okay, immediately start with the dark green, then only colors will get mixed. Wash your brush and start with the green. Start from down, first fill all white part. Go slowly around the bushes. You can take light green or dark green, no problem. I have taken dark green. See everyone. Now I'm washing my brush and I'm taking just wet brush and I'm going on the partition line like this. You have to go a little bit up on the yellow part. Keep washing your brush. Yes, great, Daniel. Keep washing your brush in between to remove excess color. One, do the second side. Take color whenever required. Don't use water much. Come on, everyone. Doing the blending part. Yes, correct, Ayan. Perfect. Come on, Dibyanshu. Well done, Ayan. Come on, Gargi. Nice, Dibyanshu. You can paint fruits. Anushka, perfect. Come on, Lubda. Shrishti, Chaitra, Mahit. Yes, Kaushal, correct. Nice work, Arohi. Correct. Yes, show Shriyansh. Shriyansh, allow it to dry. Otherwise, use tissue paper and remove excess water. Okay. Otherwise, allow it to dry and do it afterwards again. Yes. Anika, slightly blend the line in between. Just use wet brush for blending. Wet brush means you have to remove excess water from your brush. Okay. Don't take too much water. Perfect, Lubda. Come on. Now the pathway, everyone. You can take yellow ochre or a brown color. I'm taking normal brown. See this one. Yes, very nice, Tanvi. Very good effect. Nice blending. Everyone, brown color. See, now maintain standing strokes. Up to down. Come on, Advik. Anushka. Correct, Ayan. If you are done with this, last step you can do bushes. Same green color that we have used here. Do it here. Come on. Yes. Okay, Divyanshu. Just share your final drawing in the group, okay? Come on, everyone. Complete the bushes. Come on, Vedant, Varun, Kunisha. Everyone, once you are done with the painting, you have to check that your all borders or your marker lines are clearly visible. Yes, Ayan, it's perfect. Good work. See, I can feel that these two lines are looking kind of blurred. So I'm going to use my sketch pen and I'm going to trace that lines. You have to check it, okay? Afterwards, everyone, we don't want them blurred. Normal sketch pen I'm using and just retrace them. And the lines are clear. So everyone complete it like this. Yes, very nicely done, Anushka. Come on, Paris. Yes, Kaushal. Yes, you are agreed. Yes, normal sketch pen we have to use. Yes, Sorish. Sorish, nice. Sorish, just check these blendings on the right side. Lightly use yellow color and go on that partition line. You will get effect same like left. Yes, Rishti, show. Okay, good work, Srishti. Srishti, same. See these lines not visible. Use sketch pen. Yes, Paris, well done. Paris, slightly blend line, partition line. Use yellow color little bit. Yes, wonderful, Daniel. Good work. Yes, correct, Anika. Kaushal, nice. Vedant, very good. Nicely done. Advik, Anushri, perfect. Nice. Nice work, Ayan. Good job, everyone. Yes, Saksham. Saksham, it's nice. Good. Sanvi, perfect. Yes, Anika, it's nice. Barun, good. Lubda, Nirja, perfect. Don't forget to share your work, everyone. Yesterday's and today's work. Okay. Nice, Kunisha. Well done. Kunisha, you also check. These lines are visible. Otherwise, use sketch pen. Lubda, Gargi. Yes, Paris, now it's good. Yes, Gargi, it's amazing. Gargi, use same dark green on this side. Okay. All right. Good work, Lubda. Perfect, Shrestha. Okay, everyone. We'll be waiting for your drawings. Share it. Okay. Nice, Chaitra. I hope you liked it, everyone. Nice, Tanvi. Anika, I will share next week artworks in the group. Okay, material and all. I will share it in the group. Okay. Okay, everyone. Nice, Ayan. Okay, everyone. Let's end the session here for today. See you all in the next class. Yes, you can share anytime. Okay, but share it, everyone. Nature perfect. Bye, everyone. See you. Bye. Take care.